My name is Nagaraj. I'm the proprietor of Murari Power Solutions. We are into this rental generator business for last 4 years, since 2017. We have about 150 plus generators in our database, which has been given to various customers and various sectors like banking sector, pharmaceutical, food chain, where the generator availability is more important. And what one problem that we were facing is when the customer actually requires the generator to be running up and running, at that point in time, due to various other reasons, the generator was unable to start, and our customers had difficulties in running their day-to-day business activities. We were in search for a partner, strategic partner, who can give us this monitoring devices, and we've been continuously checking for the better one, which can suit our business portfolio. Because in some cases, we have to also fill the diesel on behalf of our customers. To have this completely synchronized, so that the end customer will have the generator up and working whenever he wants it. So we finally got to know across from Mr. Sujit, who is the proprietor of Disha Technologies, and he got add-ons into our portfolio. And when I saw the presentation and their architecture of implementing, it was really impressed. And one of the proof is here, you can see we have implemented about 9 in Bangalore locations, Chennai 1, Telangana 1, Goa 2, and in Mumbai and Pune Club, about 8 numbers as well today. This all in the span of about 1.5 month time. The benefit that we have got from these devices is wherever we have implemented on trial basis, these generators have never gone off air, or the generators were able to go automatically on whenever the customer wants it. How are we benefiting out of it? The three major problems in the generator, in this rental generator, is the fuel levels are not being monitored, the battery voltage is not being monitored, and the oil pressures are not being monitored. These are the three key factors for which generators are not coming live when the generator are supposed to run. So what we did is, moment we installed this device, one of the classic example is today we are speaking on 13th, and we had one problem at Pune on 12th of January, and I was driving down. So I was unable to understand what the problem was. But when we saw the reports which gave for last 7 days, we got to know the battery voltage was going down and down and down. And then when we did an analysis, we got to know the charger was at the faulty one. So all I have to do is just call my engineer at Pune, tell him to go and replace the charger, which was replaced today morning. And the customer also was surprised. My customer also was surprised that how did they got to know the exact problem and the solution without their intervention. All he said is the generator is not working. And the customer also has told us, okay, it's really good of you, because we were able to give the TAT, very good TAT, where normally it is 4 hours, but it is within 1 hour, the problem is resolved. This is first benefit. Second benefit is, before the customer got to know that this diesel is low in the generator, we have tied up with my petrol pump. My petrol pump is, we have booked the diesel, because we get a mail stating that there is no fuel. So we informed the fuel buddy to go and fill the diesel. He went and filled it. Even the customer, before the customer could know that there is a diesel low, the diesel was available at his doorstep. This is the second benefit that we got. Third one is, if there is an oil pressure low, the generator just slips. But if we know that, okay, there is going to be oil pressure, and we get reports on a daily basis, the moment it goes at a certain level, I get an alarm. My engineer is there at the site. Without the customer's intervention, the problem is resolved and he's out of the site. This has actually boosted our business by 15% in just last 1 month. So good to go. I mean, I've told the entire team that, in fact, even I'm telling other my co-partners or who are there in the cement field that they have to adopt this technology for their benefits. This will reduce the tax. This will reduce unwanted manpower running to the site and then again diagnosing the problem and coming back and taking the spares and then going to the site. Instead, my uptime has gone from 90% to 99.99%. This is with all the statistics I can show you. It is still there, and this is still in just past 1.5 months is what I'm telling. Going way forward, I think this will really help me in taking up the uptime and bringing down the downtime to the max level. Thank you very much.